A lot has been said and heard in our previous hearings, and I'm certain that a lot more will be brought to light in the coming proceedings. Malinaw na po ang unti-unti tayong pinasok ng mga dayuhan na may masamang balak at nais samantalhin ang ating bayan through the strategic use of their bottomless funds and their purchase of key information on how to go about acquiring fake Filipino citizenship with the help of corrupt elements in our institutions. Itong mga POGO corporations ay naging paraan upang mapalaganap nila ang krimen sa ating bayan tulad ng human trafficking, prostitution, drugs, money laundering, cybercrimes, torture at murder. Bagamat nakapaglabas na ng Executive Order number 74 ang ating Pangulo, naniniwala ako na nangangailangan ng mas mahigpit na mga regulasyon at mas matibay na pagpapatupad upang lubusang mawasak ang iligal na operasyon ng POGO.